Hello friends, welcome to another session on SAP Cloud Platform Integration. I am Manju from LearnSAPintegration.com. Just to recap, in the last session we have seen what all the different integration scenario in SAP PO and CPI landscape. If you recap, we have something like on-premise to on-premise, on-premise, SAP ECC, and some other application deployed in the same landscape in a single company that is called on-premise, where we are using SAP PI or PO to connect on-premise to on-premise applications. And same way, on-premise to partner application via firewall, we are using same PI or PO to connect between SAP to partner. Similar way, on-premise to cloud, we are using SAP CPI, which is the integration platform in cloud via SAP connector. That is on-premise to cloud application via CPI using SAP connector. The last one is hybrid approach. Here we can have either on-premise to on-premise or on-premise to partner, on-premise to cloud, and last one is cloud to cloud. Suppose there is a two cloud application like SuccessFactor, Ariba, or Concur. Between two cloud application, we are going to use CPA. Okay, today's session we are going to see what is the difference between SAP PO. Earlier it was PI, PO, and HCI in between, and now it is latest version is called CPI. We're going to look into the difference in details. Let's move on. Okay, if you see what's the difference between PO and CPI. See, in PA and PO, both are annual maintenance. It's a fees is like annual maintenance. Earlier it was like volume of data, and now it is total product cost. Once you buy it, total product cost and annual maintenance you have to pay. If it is in CPI, it is completely subscription based. Suppose if you're using two connected applications, it's a different subscription, and it is one connection, or if you're using the the total number of GB, that also matters. It is completely subscription based. So in the CPA, always there is a up-to-date software available. Everything, all maintenance, patch, bug fix, everything handled by ACP. We'll never know when is that bug is fixed or when was the maintenance. All everything is taken care by SAP. But in PO, we need to plan for complete software update, migration or maintenance, everything we need to manage. Coming to cloud feature, it gives lots of cloud features like resource scaling, data center and virtual. Suppose if you want 100 GB data extra, within a minute we can scale it. But in case of PO, it is not possible. We need to plan the infrastructure well in advance. Always we need to take care of high availability, disaster recovery, and scaling resources. Everything we need to take care by our own. And coming to CPA support, it supports both data as well as process integration. Along with that, it supports OData and Cloud Connector as well as RabbitMQ support. But in case of PO or PI, it only supports process integration or process orchestration. Last option in CPO, it's completely flexible approach. So anyone can buy depending on subscription model. It is like a Dropbox in a cloud environment. Whatever you used, you have to pay for that. But in SAP PO, it is standardized approach. It's like iFlow and ICO. Okay. See, I have given the link here. You can, I think, for more difference, we can just have a look in online. There are multiple things like messaging, flexible offline, and there are detailed differences given here. Please have a look onto this. Okay, let's move on. Now, what all the adapters supported in SAP CPI? See, along with all the adapters which are supported by PAPO, the CPI is supported more adapter, like mainly on the cloud based adapters. So if you see, there is a Facebook adapter, Twitter adapter, along with that, all the Ariba, Success Factor, all adapters are available. I have given the complete details here. Maybe we can have a look. See, like basis adapter like HTTP, HTTPS, IDOC, JDBC, JMS, everything is given. These are all available in PI and PO, its earlier version. Along with that, we have like Facebook adapter, Twitter, all the social media adapters also given. And apart from that, a third party, it is a third party EDI adapter, it is a AS2 that is also available. Then these are all cloud applications, Ariba, SuccessFactor, Concur, everything is given here. So you can, it is a SAP standard SAP help. You can check the availability availability of each and every adapters in details. Okay, guys. So we'll move on. Now, apart from this, there are so many other jargons are going around with CPI. So we will see one by one now. See, this is cloud platform integration. The name says it is supporting integration of cloud to cloud application. Along with that, it supports always on-premise integration as well that we have seen in the previous scenario. So then another advantage is social network integration. As I mentioned, there are different adapters available like Twitter and Facebook integration, and there are so many OData services also available. Then cloud integration it's available between multiple cloud applications. And another one is subscription model. Whatever you use, you have to pay for it, unlike the PO that is annual maintenance model. Then automatic upgrade and maintenance is taken care by SAP. So no need of worrying about scaling or update or bug fix or anything. No need of worrying from our side. And apart from that, it supports API and OData and SAP connector. Then always it supports smart data integration along with process integration. Then it also supports uh, standard platform like Eclipse and RabbitMQ. So it also supports Groovy script as well as camel notation. So these are the extra features always we use around CPI. Okay guys, so just to recap, we have just checked on what is the difference between PI, SCI and PO and CPI. See, PI and PO are on-premise integration tool given by SAP, but CPI is the integration tool given by SAP on cloud. These are all parallel product. It is PO, you cannot CPI, we cannot say that PO in cloud. It is completely different approach altogether. Then we have seen the different adapter support in CPI. Okay, then we have seen the complete difference between PO and CPI. Then when we are going to use CPI and when we are going to use PO. Okay, thank you guys. So next session I'll come up with another topic. Till then, bye bye.